Hey guys, my name is Greg Hogg. Have you ever been in a situation where you make a data science project, you're trying to catch the employer's attention, you apply for a job, and you just get shut down? Well, we all have, but it turns out this is extremely common, is to make an awesome data science project that you think is awesome, but actually it's not interesting at all. So let me give you the proper steps, in fact, 3 steps to make the right data science project, how to build it, and the right order so that you can catch the employer's attention and get that dream job of yours. Here's that video, subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy. Step number 1, you need to know your fundamentals really well. Cost functions, gradient descent, supervised learning, neural networks, you need to understand how these work really well, because then you'll be able to transfer that knowledge to build something that you actually want to. So you should follow many blogs and tutorials on how to do projects, except don't make those projects something you put on your resume. It's great for learning, except what you put on your resume is something that is extracted from that. You do something similar and then you deploy it on an Android app or you make it into a web app. You need to take the knowledge that is existent and then turn it into your own thing. Step number 2, think outside the box. People ask me all the time, Greg, how do I come up with a data science project? Well, the answer is that for me, I close my eyes and I think of some random situation that has nothing to do with data science, and then I try to bring data science into that problem. So for example, in my data science final project, I talked about randomly some rock climbing wall where I turned it into a clustering problem that ended up solving pretty much exactly how many walls to make for people to climb and how difficult those walls should be. It's not something that you're going to find on the internet. I didn't get inspiration off that by just looking at someone's tutorial and changing it ever so slightly. You can do that through the means of it because data science, the theory and the applications are very similar. You're going to end up making probably a TensorFlow model or some data visualization, except the means of that is the tutorial. What they're actually doing, make that totally your own. And so to an employer, it seems like you've done something fascinating because rock climbing walls, oh, I've never heard someone do data science on that. And it sounds like something brand new, except really you're just taking stuff, tidbits from tutorials here and there so that the coding isn't that bad. By the way, if you're looking to learn fundamentals, there's a lot of stuff that really changed my life, which is in the description down below. So some of those certifications could really upgrade your LinkedIn. That's going to help as well. The final step here, step 3, you really have to listen to this in full, so don't run away until you do. Be flexible about the means of getting to the destination, but do not change the destination. Whatever you thought of in step 2, where you thought of an awesome project, you need to do whatever you can to get there. You might trash 20 ideas. It might be instead of using Python, you actually find that it's not the right program, even though you love using Python. Maybe JavaScript is a better solution. You need to be flexible about all these different pathways and choose the one that gets you to the goal, not based on what you're comfortable with, but based on what is going to get you to the end without adjusting it. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. And subscribe because I'm pushing out data science content daily. New certifications come out and I always try to update everybody whenever that comes out. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video and have a great day.